Welcome back to the BALDEAGLE242 YouTube channel. Today I've got a Craftsman mower here that I'm going to show you how to pull the deck off of it, show you how to remove the blades and sharpen them. I'm also going to show you a really cool blade balancer that's a good option for a homeowner. Once we get all that done, I'll show you how to put it all back together. This is a Craftsman LT1000, but this process is pretty similar to the newer YT series, YS series, Husqvarna, even John Deere, even though they are different. If you can do it on this mower, you can pretty much do it on any mower. A little bit different format than most of my videos. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.